Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this makeup look. I know I look so different and I look like older and stuff like that, which is around my age, right? Like right. But anyways, thank you so much for watching me all over these few months. I know I have been so MIA lately, but I'm gonna try to keep up with my videos now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. I'll be so thankful with you guys to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So gorgeous. And it says there to create, in the palette number is 39A, which I'm so happy to use because I love this palette so much. Like the pigment shade that I'm gonna be using is this one for my transition shade. It's called Flake It from the palette, and I'm gonna be using my Smashbox brush and then just start adding it on our crease area. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Like, what is going on in your life lately? Like, what are your thoughts about this winter time that's coming up, you guys? Like, what are you guys gonna do for Christmas and all that stuff? I can't wait for Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited. Know, you guys, in the comments down below what you're planning to do this winter time. Like, where are you guys gonna go? Are you guys gonna spend some time with the family? Are you guys going somewhere for December? The next shade that I'm taking, it's another like a army green color, this one, and it's called Pine. And I'm gonna take this other brush from WetnWild, and it looks like this. Also, you guys, blending might be hard to do, but if you keep practicing and practicing, you'll get there. Because I remember my first time I ever like did my makeup and stuff, it looked terrible. I wanted to do like a black smoky. Around that time it was really popular, and I thought it was the big thing, you know. Like, I was like, oh, it looks pretty, you know, it makes my eyes pop, it makes, you know, like, it was so weird. If you go back to my video, you'll see how I was like, oh, it looks nice. And then by the time I discovered that I was not doing it good, like, it looked so bad on the pictures. And yeah, nobody told me anything. Nobody told me anything, you guys. Like, everybody was watching me and nobody told me nothing. Like, it takes time, you guys, to really get to the point where you want to be. Brown shade right here from this palette, and it's called Cat Eye. So I'm gonna use that as well for my crease area, and I'm using this clear brush by Mermaid's Beauty, and I'm gonna add this shade just on the crease area as well to darken that eyelid a little bit more. Okay, you guys, so next I'm taking this shade. It's like a kind of shimmery shade from this palette, and it's called Chromatic. So I'm gonna take that all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna add this all over my eyelid like that. I'm using my fingers because I feel like whenever you use shimmer shades, they seem to work much well with the finger. That little shimmer shade to it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, my eyes look pretty good on the camera. I'm taking this shade right here, and it's called So Glam. So glammy. I'm just kidding, you guys. But I'm taking that and taking my finger again. I cleaned it up. So I'm taking that finger again and adding that shade just right here in the tear ducts, so it can make my eyes pop a little bit more. I'm taking back again this flake. I said, is it flick? Flackle? Like a pickle, you know, but it's flackle. I'm taking this shade and this shade again, so I can add it to my hairline area, like up to here, you guys. So I can darken my eyes a little bit more. I don't want to look too zombie looking, you know. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera. My Catrice Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and it's super duper black, you guys. I love this eyeliner. and it has like a little ball inside, so whenever the little eyeliner thing brush gets really dried up, you can always shake it, and whenever it's shaking like that, you can hear that the eyeliner is coming up. Lashes, they're super duper pretty, you guys. I love them. They look so fluffy, so full, so, I don't know. I feel like whenever I use these kind of lashes, like really fluffy, it makes my eyes pop a little bit more, you know? Because as you guys can see, look, this does not have the eyelash. This one does. It makes your eyes, I feel like, more bigger. Whenever I do like my eyelashes, I always put the glue, and I'm using the Duo Glue by Ardell. This one, the green one. And I'm blowing the eyelash until it gets a little bit tacky, like this is how it's supposed to look, kind of something like that. And then I just pop it in my eyelid like that. I take some tweezers, add it to my eyelid. I know adding the eyelashes might look for you so hard to do, but I guess you have to practice first with natural looking eyelashes, and then you can go with the more fuller eyelash. My time with my eyelashes, I have to pop them in there, put them in place, and yeah, like, it's not that hard for me anymore whenever I'm not in a rush. But guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. And if you guys want to see more chit chats like this, like you guys get to know me, a little bit more, I'll be happy to do more chit chats with you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe at the subscribe button down below. And if you want to get notified every single time I upload, please also click the little bell so you get notified every single time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys.